Hello there, Evan here for websitehostingguides.com. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up a WordPress site with Hostinger. If you haven't set up a Hostinger account, be sure to check out our affiliate link in the description below to get discounts upon purchasing their package. So without further ado, let's go. WordPress is one of the most versatile website platforms. It's powerful with lots of options and simple to set up, especially if you pair it with a strong hosting service such as Hostinger. Hostinger is one of the cheap hosting services you can find today. Now I'm going to show you how to set it up with WordPress. So, the first thing you need to do is to make sure you have signed up with Hostinger and see if it's ready to be set up. Once you're sure, head on Hostinger control panel and click on the auto installer icon. Enter WordPress in the search field and it will show you the latest version. Click on it. Now, let's fill in the required details before we can continue. The URL. This is the address of your WordPress website. Admin username and password. Make sure you save it somewhere as you will be using this to enter your WordPress dashboard. The email is your email address. It is recommended to enter a working email address here as it will be used for your notification. Let's click English for the language. Your website title. And then click Install. Once the installation is done, that's it. With your username and your password filled in earlier, you can now log in to the admin dashboard and begin creating your website. If you haven't subscribed to Hostinger, be sure to check out our affiliate link in the description below to get awesome discounts. I am Evan for websitehostingguides.com and have a great day.